How to add indicators in MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. Now you can see there is a chart option at the bottom of this section, so let's tap on that chart icon, and finally you can see there is functions option at the top of this chart, so you need to enter or tap on that F option. So you can see main window option in here, and at the right side there is plus button. Just tap on that plus button and you can see there is a lots of indicators in here shown in the screen. So now you can choose any of them. So for me, let me choose Bollinger Bands. Now you can modify your properties from here for your indicators, and finally tap on done, and yeah, you will be able to add your indicator successfully in MT5. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add indicators in MetaTrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.